Hello and welcome to another tutorial brought to you by LGDB.com, the open source in local governance. In this video, I'm going to talk about one way of doing mail merge on Microsoft Word. So what is mail merge? Mail merge is actually just sending a letter to many different recipients having the same body. So you don't have to retype all the details as you print. This has been very difficult to do if you're not going to use the mail merge method. So to do that, first thing you must do is have the format or the final format of the letter. So in this example, I'm having this, and here's I'm trying to send a letter to municipal mayors and informing them that I'm giving them an additional funding to their BUB project. So it depends on how many you would like to send. When you have your final letter, you must identify which are the changing values of your letter. So for this example, the name, the middle name, the surname, and then the suffix, junior, uh, MD, or anything, any extension, CPA, or something like that. In this portion, it might be a city or a municipal mayor, the name of the LGU, the name of the MLUO, or the through part, and the LGU and the LGU here would be the same. The project name, because in different LGUs, it could be the project could be different from the other LGUs. The additional cost could be different, and the cost of their project could be different. So after you have identified all the portions or all the changing portions for your letter, you have to mark them so that you could create a record for each of the changing values. What I do in my own practice, I'm using Microsoft Excel. So this example, I'm having the names and I'm having the first name, middle initial, surname, and the suffix. And I'm typing it like this. And in the city or municipal mayor, I'm putting it as LGU type. And the LGU, and I have the column for LGU. So all the changing values here must be the heading or the first row of your Excel. For example, LGU, there's the LGU, LGU type, the LGU type, and the remaining ad cost, BUB cost, and project name, they must also have their own columns. And all you have to do is just type everything here. Or if you have an existing Excel record, you could just copy and paste it here. And that would be so fast. So imagine there will be 20 of this, or 90, or 100. So just put them in Excel, and you'll have your record for the data of the changing values of your letter. How would we put this Excel file data into our letter? So to do that, you have to choose select recipients, or you could do start mail merge and letters. And in this version, I'm using in Word 2010, select recipients. I'm going to use existing list because the we have already made an Excel file for the list. Use existing list, select recipients, and use existing list, and then find that file where you save your Excel file. See, mail merge sample data. And when you have found it, just click open. And it asks you select table, sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. And in our table, it's on sheet 1, so we're going to use sheet 1 by default. And if you notice here, there's an insert merge field and arrowhead pointing below. You would see LGU, LGU type, first name, up to the add cost, which are the headings of this file. So it means we have successfully connected Word to this Excel file. So what we're going to do next is to replace this with the variables or with the changing values. So just press enter and then Insert merge field, that's the name, so we'll just use first name space insert merge field mi for the middle initial space for the surname and space for the suffix, and we can delete this portion now. Now enter. It's a city or municipal mayor, so that would be the LGU type, because our LGU type here is the city or municipal. So we'll put LGU type and then mayor. Mayor is a fixed amount, is a fixed value. And then LGU, we just put insert merge field and LGU, and we have that. Next, the MLGOO name, just erase that, and the MLGOO, DILG LGU would be the LGU, just like the other. The add cost is add cost. The DB project name is the DB project, because that's what is here, and the BB cost is BB cost. So that's it. So how are we going to see the final letter? So all you have to do is just click this preview results. So it's here. That's the first record. Antonio Libangban, Emilio Ariana Grande, 10,511,000. So it's here. So there are comma problems here, and which are going to fix later on. So as of now, you'd see that it is working. So if we go to the next record, just click this next record button, and it goes to the second record, Bogart Balintawak. And the second record is actually Bogart Balintawak, right? Imagine Bruno Mars livelihood 3,498,000. 3,498,000 livelihood. Bruno Mars. So it is working. So we have 4 records here. So you can actually go 3 and record 4. So it's working. Usually the letters are in this portion are capitalized. So what we're going to do is go back to that, and in this first name you have to press Shift F9. Then there's a merge field first name, and on that blinking cursor you have to do \***. It means every first name, all first name must be on upper. So it means it will become uppercase. And if you preview result, it becomes uppercase. In the middle initial, it's already capitalized, so it's on surname now. So what we're going to do in this Alibangbang, on this surname, is again Shift F9 and \* upper. So it tells Microsoft Word to uppercase everything, and it's uppercase. So if we test on another record, it's on all uppercase. Now, how about in this portion, this numeric values that must have a comma? So what we're going to do is again Shift F9 and then \. If it's a number, it's going to be asterisk, and then you have to close it with double quotes, quote, comma, hashtag, and then closing double quotes. So if you're going to preview result, that's a comma. There's a comma in the number. So in this 50 million, so Shift F9 \. hashtag, double quote, comma, then hashtag, close double quote, and preview. It's on commas. So if you're going to move around records, it's going to be different. It has different amounts, but having the right format. Now the last thing you have to do is, how are we going to print this one? So if you're going to print this, just go to Finish and Merge, and then Print Documents. So if you want to print documents, and you say All, and then click OK, the printer will start printing. And since you can't see the printer here, you just have to do this edit individual documents. So if you click that one, if it asks all records, and you click OK, and we'll open another file here that has its individual. So if it's a 90 recipient, it will open a 90 pages of documents. If you want to edit each of the document for a specific purpose, then you can do so. So basically that's it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and please visit lgdb.com, on Facebook facebook.com/lgdb, and on Twitter @lgdb. Thanks for watching.